Good morning. I am fine, thank you, beta. Am I audible to you? Can you hear me and can you speak properly?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Can you see the word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
Okay. So kids, we are meeting after so many days, है ना? You had your vacation, then it was your book checking, and I really appreciate each and everyone's work. Very good, beta. You all did great work. Very good, everyone. I really appreciate your work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. And kids, do you know?
I will very miss my favorite ma'am in my vacation. Also, ma'am.
Oh, very good, beta. Very good. That you miss your teachers. Very good, beta. Okay, so here we are back again to work, to learn new things. है ना? Okay, I think almost each and everyone has joined now. So we will be starting our class, but we will start our class with a prayer because prayer is very important for us. है ना? When we are starting anything new, it is very important. So kids, please join your hands and close your eyes. First of all, we will do a prayer. So please, everyone, join your hands and close your eyes. Okay, everyone, now you can open your eyes. So, we will start our class with a prayer, with attendance. Everyone, please be ready for your attendance. So, as you all know, as I say your name, you have to say yes ma'am or present ma'am. Okay, so let us start. So, let's get started. फुलस्य अवधारा ओके बेटा धर्म गोरण्या
Present, ma'am.
ओके बेटा रूही ब्लोच
Present, ma'am.
ओके दक्ष बेथरिया आयु देसरोजा
Present, ma'am.
ओके माधव कलाड़िया
Present. Madhu Claudia, present.
ओके बेटा मनश्री जेटलूजा
Present, ma'am.
ओके विश कगथरा
Present, ma'am.
ओके नव्या केला
Present, ma'am.
ओके प्रियांश कावर
Present, ma'am.
ओके निर्मित मिस्त्री देवेश मुंगिया बेटा प्लीज अपने माइक ऑफ रखो बेटा। ओके देवेश। कृषा पाटड़िया। नक्ष पाटड़िया। आरव पटेल।
Yes,
आरव
ma'am.
पटेल। ओके। दुर्वा पटेल।
Present, ma'am.
ओके बेटा। हस्ती पटेल। नित्या राज। नित्या राज।
Present, ma'am.
ओके। श्लोक सन।
Los Angeles, present, ma'am.
ओके। केविन सावरिया।
Present, ma'am.
कृष्णा सेनापति।
Present, ma'am.
ओके बेटा। साक्षी शर्मा। श्रद्धा उंडविया। ध्रुवा वामजा। ओके एवरीवन, सो योर अटेंशन। ओके ध्रुवा। Okay everyone, so your attendance is taken. See kids, now we are going to follow new timetable. Okay, so Arav Pethani and Riyan Kanjiani beta, you are in second D. Timetable has changed. The timetable has changed. Timetable beta change हो गया है. So Riyan and Arav beta अपना new timetable देखो, ग्रुप्स में शेयर किया है और उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्लास ज्वाइन करो. ये अभी सेकेंड ए की क्लास है बेटा, आपको इसमें ज्वाइन नहीं होना है.
I can't.
ओके
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
आरव पेथानी एंड रियान कांझानी बेटा अपना डी का क्लास ज्वाइन करो. ये सेकेंड ए है.
Oh,
चलो.
sorry, ma'am.
हाँ नहीं, इट इज ओके बेटा, इट इज ओके. आपको पता नहीं होता है ना. ओके चलो. ओके so till now we completed till writing portion, right? हम अब लास्ट में जब भी आपका वैकेशन था, so before that we were doing our unit 2 in English literature book, that is in this book. Okay, so in that we completed till the paragraph writing. Paragraph writing तक का हमने complete किया था. And our last, that is our poem 2. जैसे यूनिट 2 की जो पोयम है, दैट इज पोयम 2, दैट इज रिमेनिंग. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू टुडे. सो वो पोयम 2 इज व्हाट आर ग्रैंडमास फॉर. सो थ्रू दिस पोयम वी आर गोइंग टू नो दैट व्हाट आर ग्रैंडमास फॉर, व्हाई देयर आर ग्रैंडमास, क्या करती है ग्रैंडमास हमारे लिए. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न from this poem. So let us start. Now see it. From now onwards, what I am going to do. Yes, beta.
आप दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हो.
Is it for everyone? Can everyone see me? Can you see me, beta?
No, ma'am.
No. मेरा तो वीडियो ऑन ही है बेटा. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta. Okay, beta. चलो. So we are going to do poem 2, that is what are grandmas for. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. So kids, now I have something new for you this time. So what we are going to do is that now from today onwards, you are going to read poems and chapters. You will read. Okay, मैं किसी भी बच्चे का नेम लूंगी and that will be random, not roll number wise. Okay. तो मैं ऐसे ही किसी का भी नेम ले लूंगी और then you have to read poem or the chapter, whatever it is. And what I will do is कि मैं जिसमें से जिसे भी यहाँ से I will ask, उनके नेम के आगे I will put a tick. Okay, so that next time their chance will not come, and by this we will complete the turns of each and every one of you. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. So you have to pay attention while others are reading. Otherwise, you will not be able to know where he or she stopped. Okay, kids? So pay attention while others are reading. So kids, please open page number 30 in your English textbook. Page number 3030. 3030 we are going to do poem. That is what our grandmas for. Okay, so I want Dvit Sagatra. Dvit, beta read first two lines. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to read two lines.
Grandmas are for stories about things of long ago.
Of long ago. Yes, very good, Dvit. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, beta. So grandmas are for stories. So the first is grandmas. Grandmas are for stories. That for the things of long ago. Okay, so she tells us stories about the things. She tells us stories about the things that happened long ago. Okay, long ago means बहुत ही पहले, जो बहुत ही पहले चीजें हुई है. For about them, she tells us stories. Now see kids, I am going to write new words on the board. आप सिर्फ अभी underline ही करेंगे. You have to underline those new words in your textbook, the words that I write here. Okay, so please underline the first word, that is grandma. Please underline this word. ये कहीं पर भी लिखना नहीं है, अभी नहीं लिखना है please. If you are not going to write now, just you have to underline this word. So the first word is grandma. Please underline this word, beta. And the second word that you have to underline is story. S-T-O. So, R-I-D-E. Stories. Whenever I, E, S are together, we read them as E's. So, story, stories. So, please underline this word. Okay. Now, Jignasa Senapati. Jignasa, beta read next word.
Yes, ma'am. Grandma are for Grandma are for about the things for A-G-O lodge.
Beta, what are you reading? Grandmas are for caring about all the things you know. So she is also there for caring about the things that you know. So जो भी चीजें हमें पता होती है, for them also there is, and so to take care of those things, grandma is there. So grandma takes care of the things that we know. Okay.
Ma'am,
No, beta, it is okay. कोई बात नहीं. Okay, now Kevin Savaria. Kevin,
Yes,
read next line, beta.
about all the things.
No, beta, not that one. उसके बाद वाली.
Grandma are for rocking you and singing you to sleep.
You to sleep. Yes, very good, beta. Very good, Kevin. Yes. Yes. So grandmas are for rocking you. झूला झुलाती है ना हमें grandma. That is rocking you and singing you to sleep. So whenever there is a night, so she will sing some lullabies, then she will sing some rhymes, and by that, by listening to that, by listening to those rhymes and bedtime stories, we go to sleep. So grandmas are for rocking you and singing you to sleep. Okay, so वो हमें सुलाती है. So this is what grandmas are for. Please underline the word rocking. R-O-C-K, rock. Rock. Please keep your mic off.
I have doubt.
What doubt do you have, Priyansh? Yes.
रॉकिंग का मतलब क्या होता है?
बेटा जो झूला झूलाते हैं जब मतलब जब छोटे होते हैं तभी जब झूले में झूलाते हैं ना तो ऐसे 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 हिलाते हैं, राइट? तो इन दैट वे वो में हिलाती है. तो दैट इज व्हाट इट मीन्स. ओके,
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके बेटा, वेलकम. So please underline this word, that is rocking. Please underline this word. Okay, so now I want Ayu Detroja. Ayu, better read next line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better.
Grandma asked for giving guys memories to keep grandma.
Okay, beta. Only 2 lines, Ayu. Only 2 lines. Okay, very good, beta. Very good. So grandmas are for giving you nice, welcome, beta. Nice memories to keep. So what grandmas do? She gives us nice memory. Nice means good, अच्छी. And memories means yadein. So grandma also gives us nice memories. And those memories we can keep with ourselves. है ना? आपको याद होता है ना कि before some days she did this for us, she helped me in this, या फिर ऐसे good manners. Okay, so good manners वो आपको सिखाएगी, right? So these are some good memories, some nice memories that she gives to you. And these memories you can keep with you for your life. So memories, please underline the word memories. See beta, memories. How to write memory? M-E में memo. Memo नहीं read करेंगे इसे. We will read it as memories. R-I-E-S. Memories. Please underline this word. Memories. Okay, now after Ayu, I want Durva Patel. Durva, better read next line.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Grandmas are for
knowing. Yes, grandmas are for knowing
all the things you are dreams for, but most important.
Okay. Durva, only 2 lines, beta. Only 2 lines. Okay, very good, okay. Durva. Okay, beta. So grandmas are for knowing all the things you are dreaming of. Dreaming का मतलब होता है, dreams का मतलब सपने देखना. Okay, and knowing means to know something. So grandma knows each and every dreams of you. So the things about what you are dreaming. Okay, ऐसी चीजें जिसके बारे में आप ड्रीम करते हो. So these all things are known by our grandma. So grandma knows what we want. Grandma को पता होता है ना grandma को that he or she wants this. So this is what grandma's for, that she knows each and everything of us. Now see kids, here you are is given. Beta, this is short form. We have a whole chapter in English grammar about the short forms. Short forms मतलब छोटे करके लिखना कुछ words को. So meaning of these is are, A-R-E-R. Okay, so R, we can write R as, it's better, I am explaining, wait a minute, beta, I am explaining something. Yes, better, first you complete, then I will complete, yes, चलो.
ये हमको अंडरलाइन करने बोला.
What?
ये जो आ रही ना, ये हमको अंडरलाइन करना है.
No, you don't have to underline, बेटा. That's why I am asking you to listen to me first. पहले सुन लो बेटा मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. ओके, ये अंडरलाइन करने हैं. This you don't have to underline. See, this is R is A-R-E-R. Okay, so we read these as A-R-E-R. U-R. So we will read these as U-R. So R can be written in short form as apostrophe. This is known as apostrophe and then R-E. Okay?
मैम.
Yes.
यार हमको अंडरलाइन नहीं करना है.
नहीं करना है बेटा. मैंने नहीं कहा है कि आप इसे अंडरलाइन करो. सिर्फ इतने, ये अभी के लिए यही करने हैं बेटा.
ओके मैम.
Okay, now last two lines will be read by Pulatya Aghara. Yes, Pulatya?
Yes ma'am. But most importantly of all, grandmas
Yes.
grandmas are for all they love.
Yes, very good, Pulatya. Yes. But regarding all these things, the most important thing is that love. Okay, so the love that we get from our grandmother is the most important thing of whatever other things she gives to us. जो भी चीजें वो हमें दे दे, but उससे ज्यादा important क्या है? That is her love. Okay, so love that we get from our grandmother. Now take it, important. Have to write importantly. So I am is import. P-O-R-T. Port. It will be import. अब लिखना है हमें N. So A-N-T. Important and then L-Y-L-E. Importantly. Okay, importantly means important thing. जो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है, that is importantly. So the regarding beside all the things that our grandmother does for us, okay, the most important thing is the love that we get from our grandmother. Now take it in today's homework. You have आपने already underline तो कर ही दिए है. You have underlined these words in your textbook. So in homework you will write these new words in your 1A notebook. In homework you have to write these words. But in which book? That is in 1A notebook. See kids, first standard में भी आपको पता था that you have 1A and 1B notebook. 1A for your English, that is for this portion, our literature portion, and 1B for your grammar. But still many of you have mixed both the books. इस बुक की चीजें इसमें लिख दी है और इस बुक की चीजें इसमें लिख दी है. Please beta keep this in mind that our 1A notebook is for our 1A textbook. This is for this book, this textbook. Okay. So in homework you have to write these words in 1A notebook from your textbook. Textbook में आपने underline कर दिया है, so from that you have to write. Okay, so kids, now we will start our poem appreciation exercise. Okay, so let us start with that. So in a poem appreciation, the first question is, that is one is, fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so take it. These blanks are from our reading only, from this reading only. These blanks are from our this reading portion only. So you will search from there and you will give answer to me. I will read questions for you. So our A is, Grandmas are for dash about things of long ago. So what answer will come, beta?
Story.
Grandma. Yes, very good everyone. It's for story. Yes, very good. So in A blank we have to write to S-T-O, R-I-E-S. Stories. Beta, can you see this? Can you see this? Or shall I write this with big letters?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. And see, this S will be small. Okay, this S will be small. This will not be capital letter. This is small letter. That is stories. See, you have to write this with me, and at the end of the class, you will show me your work. So please write this with me only. Then B.
Memory. Memory.
Grand-
Memory.
Wait, beta,
Memory.
wait.
Memory.
Let me
Memory.
Wait.
Memory.
Or giving
Memory.
you
Memory.
Memory. Yes, memory. Very good, very good, very, very good. So memory, M-E-M-O-R-I-E-S. Memories. Very good, beta. So grandmas are for giving you nice memories to keep. Now see.
Drawing.
मैं ना ये चीज अलाउ नहीं करूंगी. I will not allow this. First let me read the sentence, beta. First let me read the sentence, okay? Then you say. Okay. Grandmas are for dash all the things you are reading.
Knowing.
Yes, is knowing. Is there for knowing everything.
Knowing.
So K-N-O-W, that is know, and उसके बाद I-N-G, knowing. Stories, then memories and knowing. So grandmas are for knowing all the things you are dreaming of. Okay. Okay now. So this was our first question, that is fill in the blank. Now we will do our second question, that is find rhyming words for this word from the poem. So we have to find rhyming words. Beta, what are rhyming words? Yes?
Rhyming words are the words that tells us that have same ending sound.
Stop
Singing.
everyone. Stop.
Rhyming words are the words that have last ending sound. Same last ending sound.
बेटा मैं कह रही हूँ मनस्वी, आई एम सेइंग. बेटा प्लीज स्टॉप. मैं सबसे कहा है प्लीज स्टॉप. दिस इज नॉट द वे. चलो. ओके. सो नव्या, बेटा व्हाट आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स? Navya, what are rhyming words, beta?
Rhyming words are the words that are same sound of their ending words.
That helps it. Yes, very good, Navya.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, rhyming words are, yes, who is this? Darshit, turn off your video. Darshit. Okay. So, rhyming words are the words that have same ending sound. Very good. Our first word is ego. So, what will be the rhyming word for ego from the poem? Yes, beta. Ego.
No.
Yes. No. No. Very good. Yes.
No.
Yes. Very good. So for ego it is no. See, ego no. Ego no. So they both are
No.
rhyming. Ego.
No.
Yes, very good. Okay, now next, sleep. Sleep. Very good, beta. Very good. Keep. Yes, sleep, keep. So ego, no, sleep, keep. Very good, beta. Okay, now see kids. This question number 3. This one, that is, complete the verb by writing what your grandmother does for you. Okay, so see here in the center, it is written my grandmother. And here 4 spaces are given. बेटा प्लीज mute your mic off. अब से ना अगर बीच में किसी ने भी माइक ऑन किया है ना, मैं आप सभी को म्यूट रखूंगी, मैं किसी के माइक ऑन नहीं रखूंगी. बेटा while I am explaining, you have to maintain that much discipline that you will not turn your mic on without asking me. Okay. Yes, what doubt do you have?
मैम मैं लेट हो गया था इसलिए.
दर्शित, दिस इज नॉट योर क्लास. बेटा दर्शित, ये सेकंड ए की क्लास है. अभी क्यों टाइम टेबल आया है, सो यू नीड टू चेक द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. इन दैट न्यू टाइम टेबल इज शेयर्ड एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आपको वो क्लास ज्वाइन करना है. ये अभी सेकंड ए का क्लास है, नॉट सेकंड.
मैम अभी एप्टीट्यूड का है.
यस, ए डिवीजन का क्लास अभी है, ए डिवीजन का. Okay, so in the center it is my grandmother and here 4 spaces are given. Okay kids, so in this you have to write the things that your grandmother do for you. So आपको वो चीजें इसमें लिखनी है कि जो आपकी grandmother आपके लिए करती है. That is what you are going to write in this, but not now. After your classes are over, okay, इसके बाद आपका एक और क्लास होगा and then at 12:30 you are free. After that you will write this. Ma'am, now we will do enrichment portion. Yes.
मैम इसमें हमें दिया है माय ग्रैंडमदर. उसके ऊपर एक बॉक्स है, तो उसमें हमें लिखना है माय ग्रैंडमदर लव मी, या फिर सिर्फ हमें लव ही लिखना है.
loves me. आप उतना लिख सकते हो. You can write that much. That is, loves me, tells stories to me, then goes for a walk with me, plays with me. In that way you can write. Okay, beta? चलो, now we will do enrichment.
मैम क्वेश्चन 3 जो है वो होमवर्क में है.
Yes, that is in your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this one, beta. Enrichment. See, Rahul has grandparents' day at his school. So at his school it is grandparents' day. He has brought his grandparents along. तो वो उनके साथ साथ अपने grandparents को अपने साथ लेकर आया है at his school. Read what Rahul says about them. So now let us read what Rahul says about them. Beta, if you want to ask anything, I am telling this to everyone. If you want to ask anything, please write ma'am in the chat box. Just don't turn on your mic and say anything. Yes, Priyanshi.
मैम मैं लेट गई हूँ, तो आपने जो किया है उसकी पीडीएफ कर दोगे.
प्रियांशी, आपका क्लास बेटा आफ्टर सम टाइम स्टार्ट होगा, नॉट नाउ. योर क्लास विल स्टार्ट एट 11:50. ये अभी बेटा डी का क्लास नहीं है, दिस इज ए डिवीजन, नॉट डी डिवीजन. ओके. यस द
मैम.
यस,
आपने जो ये क्वेश्चन 3 कराया था,
बोलो बेटा, बोला आई एम वेटिंग, प्लीज बी फास्ट।
एंट्री कराया था वो होमवर्क में है।
यस बेटा, दैट इज इन योर होमवर्क।
ओके मैम।
Okay, now see, let us see what Rahul says about his grandparents. Hi, I am Rahul. Hi, I am Rahul. These are my grandparents. ये मेरे grandparents हैं. My grandpa helps me to read and write. So my grandpa helps me to read and write. My grandma takes care of me, and my grandma, she takes care of me. Okay, so this is how Rahul's grandparents help him. Now see, okay. Now our grandparents are very special to us. We know that our grandparents, they are very special to us, है ना? They do lot of things for us. So in that way, they are special to us. They love us so much. When they are special for us, and even they love us so much. So let us thank them by making a thank you card. Now see kids, I want you to make a thank you card for your grandparents. Your grandparents always help you, है ना? They might be teaching you some good manners, or they might go for a walk with you. They play various games with you. They love you so much, right? So, and they bring so many things for you. So see how. So these are the things that they do for you. So in return, you should be thanking them. Okay. So what you have to do is, you have to make a thank you card. एक जैसे कहते बर्थडे का कार्ड होता है, in that way आप एक thank you card बनाएंगे and you will give the thank you card to your grandparents. Okay? And one more thing, if possible, then also speak some sentences about your grandparents. अपने grandparents के बारे में कुछ sentences भी आप बोलो. Okay? उन्हें वो थैंक यू कार्ड, आपने जो थैंक यू कार्ड बनाया है उनके लिए, उसके साथ साथ, एंड यू हैव टू शेयर दिस थैंक यू कार्ड विथ मी. आपको ये थैंक यू कार्ड भी मेरे साथ शेयर करना है. एंड इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ वीडियो अबाउट योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स with the thank you card, then it will be really very appreciable. So वो भी आप मेरे साथ शेयर करोगे. Okay? So thank you card is compulsory for each and every one of you. आपको thank you card अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लिए बनाना है. समझ में आया? बनाएंगे ना आप सभी थैंक यू कार्ड अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लिए? वेरी गुड एवरीवन. Yes, very good everyone. Okay. So now we will do I can read. So I want okay, yes, Manas, read I can read beta.
Okay ma'am. I can read. Beanie caterpillar. Beanie has a caterpillar. It sits on a leaf. It is a yellow caterpillar. It is hungry all the time. It loves to eat an apple. Beanie likes to watch the caterpillar move. It will be a butterfly soon.
Okay. Yes, very good, Manashri. So Beanie caterpillar. So welcome, beta. So in I can read portion, it is about caterpillar of Beanie. So Beanie has a caterpillar. It sits on a leaf. Always sits on a leaf. Wait a minute, beta. I am explaining something. It is yellow caterpillar. It is yellow in color. It is hungry all the time. उसे हमेशा ही भूख लगी हुई होती है. Hungry, that is we feel hungry over here, right? So it is always hungry. It loves to eat an apple. उसे एप्पल्स ईट करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. Beanie likes to watch the caterpillar move. So when the caterpillar moves, Beanie likes to watch that. And it will be a butterfly soon. So after some time, it will be a butterfly. Which means butterfly. When butterfly is small, it is caterpillar. And when it grows, so caterpillar grows into butterfly. Okay. So that is our I can read portion. Okay. Here someone was asking me. Yes, beta. Yes, अभी किसी ने अपना माइक ऑन किया था एंड वो मुझसे कुछ पूछ रहा था. यस बेटा बोलो.
मैम
व्हाट देवेश?
मैम आई कैन रीड इट.
Oh, okay. So, beta, don't feel that way that you didn't get chance today. See, I have put tick mark. See, I have put tick mark of the ones who got chance to read. So from next time onwards, they will not get chance to read. Others get chance to read. Okay, so you will get chance in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so kids, today we did our poetry portion. That is our poem to What Are Grandmas For. Then we even completed our enrichment portion. Right, so by these we completed our unit 2. So kids, do you have any doubt in this poem? Do anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No doubt. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. Okay, beta. Okay, everyone. So by this, I end my class over here. So I have already explained homework to you. So you have to write new words in your 1A notebook. And along with that, you will complete question number 3. That is about grandmother. That is my grandmother. Okay, the things that she does for you. Okay, so tomorrow, till that, bye-bye. And yes, don't be late for your next class. So bye kids, bye-bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.